Did you know that you can increase your earning potential at a fraction of the cost of most colleges? Statistics show that earning your bachelor's degree increases your lifetime earning potential and employability. LoneStar offers a very affordable, regionally accredited bachelor's degree right at your doorstep. Bachelor's degree holders earn an average of 31% more than employees with an associate degree and 74% more than those with just a high school diploma. Maybe you're looking for more job security. Even during the toughest economic times, the median duration of unemployment for bachelor's holders is almost half as long as non-bachelor's holders. You can learn valuable new skills. Earning a bachelor's degree helps you gain new skills and stay ahead of industry trends. You also learn critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills that you need both on and off of your job. At college, you can make lifelong connections. While you're earning your bachelor's degree, you will also establish connections with working professionals, leaders, and experts in your field. Building up your network will get you to where you want to be in your career. Maybe you just want to expand your career options. Earning your bachelor's degree will not only open up new career opportunities for you, but also higher paying jobs, promotion opportunities, and overall financial and professional stability. Go to applytexas.org and apply today to get your affordable Lone Star bachelor's degree close to home.